What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for MicroStrategy Incorporated with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So MicroStrategy obviously had a large correction, reached the $2,000 level. It dropped all the way down to right around the $1,000 level. You could say, give or take, so about a 50% drop, 49% to be more accurate. Which was expected because this was looking very unsustainable and the momentum was broken. See, this was the momentum right here by the bulls, and it was broken because price was able to push through the trend line, back tested for resistance, and then travel down lower. Now it looks like the bearish momentum could be broken. So you see that price is kind of starting to stay outside of this trend line right here, and we did back test it on the opposite side a couple of times. So it looks like we could be seeing a trend reversal. What I want to see is price get back above the support level right over here that we're currently at. So I need to see price push through the 2050 level. The 1250 level. If we push through the $1,250 level and maybe find support, maybe something like that, that could lead to much more higher prices. Either way, Bitcoin is looking bullish. I don't think it's going to try to continue down lower. As right now, it looks pretty good. MicroStrategy looks like the downtrend is kind of getting weaker and weaker. It's getting shallower. So it was like a sharp drop. Now it's kind of curving around, and we could be seeing a reversal take place. So we just need to see price strongly push above the 1250 level, and then it would look pretty good. So where did price pull back to? Well, it pulled back to these breakout levels. Price was able to push through this swing high right here and a couple of these swing highs. So a lot of times price tries to come back to test breakout levels in the past. And it looks like, the bear is attempting to do that here. So that's all I see on the daily chart. Again, can it continue down lower? Yes, it can. But as right now, it looks like we have a little bit of short-term bullish momentum. We'll see if it can stay above this bullish trend line right here. But if you go in a shorter time frame, let's just go to the 1 hour, you'll see an uptrend. So right now, you see an uptrend right over here. But it needs to push through this resistance zone right over here. If it can, I think we're going to stay above it and continue moving up higher. If we get rejected from it, then where price is going to go next, probably the $800 level. There's a couple of gaps that can be filled around that level right over here. So taking a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price pulled back to that EMA. You can see that's exactly where price bounced off. Let's move the trend lines. Let's just clear up the chart. Price bounced off the EMA. You can see that it likes to pull back to the EMA in these bull markets when it gets overextended. It got overextended here, pull back to the EMA. Overextended here, pull back to the EMA. Overextended here, pull back to the EMA. So it works even in that bull market in 2021. So eventually price pulls back to it. Basically back tested this breakout level right here on the monthly $1,065 level, $1,065 level. And then you see that it bounced off of it. So this could be leading to higher prices. It looks pretty good as of right now. So I'm expecting higher prices in the short term and long term because of Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the monthly. Let's take a look at the. We'll take a look at the monthly chart on the log scale just to get a better read on the price action due to the large increase in percentages. So this just has a better look to it. You can see that if we draw a channel off the lows, this fits pretty good right about there. Drag it up to the highs. We're kind of like right at the top side of this channel. And we found resistance, but again, that doesn't mean it's going to lead to a reversal all the way to the opposite side. It can, but it doesn't always. So again, I'm expecting price to take out that $3,360 level eventually. That is the all-time high for the stock dating back to early 2000s. So all I have for MicroStrategy on the daily weekly charts is a Vee Trades. Thank you for your time.